Hey everybody, what's up? This is Kevin Lehner here. Thanks for coming back to the Freedom Motivator channel. If this is your first time here, make sure that you ding dong that bell and click that subscribe button down there so you get notified when we post new videos again, okay? Alright, you're going to want to stick around today. Got a good video for you. Going to show you where you can, a site that you can make $20 to $30 on per day if you have any products to sell, whether that be books, music, software, programs, whatever, videos or anything like that. You can make $20 to $30 on. So stick around, you're going to want to see this, okay? Be right back in just a moment. Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. I got a video today here that I'm making. I'm going to show you how to make $20 to $30 per day on a platform that I found. Some may know about it, some may not, but you can sell any kind of books or videos or programs or software videos or whatever on it and make $20 to $30 per day, okay? So let's go ahead and get right on in this. This will be a short video. I've actually got a couple more too I'm going to show you here in the next couple of days, probably in videos as well. Not just this platform I'm going to show you, but there's a couple others also that I'm going to show you about. Alright, so let's get right on into this. Alright, the website that we're going to go to, that you're going to want to go to, is called tradebit.com. That's tradebit.com, if I can get it right there. And that's the site you go to right there. And in there you can, this site has been around for probably about 15 years or so, maybe 20 years. And they've got a big platform here that is full of all kinds of stuff. We come up here and we click the Browse Catalog button here. You can see they have all kind of categories here that you can get involved in, either documents and ebooks, movies. If you've made movies or whatever, you can sell your movies on here, and music. All kinds of different genres of music that you can sell. If you have a band or something like that, you could probably begin to sell some of your music on here too as well. Also pictures and graphics, software and programs for business. I mean, these categories, you can click on them and you can see different categories. This is the business software here, and it comes down. You can choose different categories in that too as well. And you can see there's a lot of different people have got things for sale on here. And if you could just like pick one of these, for example, you can just pick one, click on it, and it will tell you about it, tell you about the price of it, and you can download it. Of course, you have to sign up with them too, and I'm already logged in here in this already. But you can sign up with them. You can be a seller here, of course, and then you can also be an affiliate with this platform too, and and sell. People can sell these products. Like you could be an affiliate for this product here and make 10-20% or whatever of the sale price, and or you can just be a seller as well too and market your stuff on here too. All right, so and it tells you a little bit about it. When you people put stuff on here for sale, it tells you a little bit about it, and how large the files are. Got links to it, affiliate links and stuff, and related files, and also files from this particular user here, this particular person that had uploaded this for sale about Facebook marketing tools. You can get more files from each user too. And then there's related files. And it shows TradeBit's reviews. They've got an overall star rating of 4.5 out of 5. Now I went and did an Alexa Alexa.com, where you can check about the ratings of sites, websites, and TradeBit has got they're rated the 92,000 and something in ratings of websites in the world. Of course, you know, Google is number one, I think, or might even be YouTube now, I'm not sure. And it could maybe be Instagram. I didn't look at that either, but I always, for most of the time, it's been Google's the number one website in the world. Everybody uses Google. So when you think about Google being number one, and you think about this site here being at 92,000, that tells you it's pretty good. They're under 100,000 of the millions of websites in the world. So that tells you it's a pretty good rating. They've got a really good rating. That means there's a lot of high traffic here. And you can see some people's reviews of this site. Okay, and if you go back to the front page, they got reviews on here too, showing different people's reviews, what they think about the site, and so on and so forth. So there's people on this site all the time. So the traffic is good here. You could upload a product on here on this site for sale, and even if it's like an ebook or something like that, you can pick different categories of ebooks too and stuff. Repair manuals. I mean, it's just any kind of book or whatever, just about anything really, and post it up here for sale, and then affiliates will sell too from here, who will help you sell your product, and you can adjust anywhere from I think it's like 1% all the way to 30% that you want to pay them. You can set that too, how much you want to pay your affiliates that sell your product for you out there on the web. So you got two ways to make money out of this. Actually, you sell your product, people come here to the site and they scroll through and they can buy right from here. They can buy it right from here, download and pay for it, and it's paid through PayPal. You get your money through PayPal here. Okay, and you can also make money. That's one way, and then you make money by affiliates. You got people out there on the web that's taking this and trying to sell it too on the web for you. So you make money that way too, off of your one product. And you can upload as many products as you want on here. It's just unlimited. You could sell thousands if you can upload them and take the time to upload them on here. You can make a lot of money actually. I mean, you can make more than 20 to 30 a day, I would suppose, if you had let's say if you had like maybe 100 products on here for sale, you could probably make some pretty good money. Imagine you can make pretty good money each day on your products that you have on here. All right, so you can, of course, you can go and publish and sell, become a TradeBit merchant, sell anything you need on here, everything that you need to sell your digital products and different things. They got 10 gigabytes of storage. You get paid directly to PayPal, and they usually send their payments once a week, every week to PayPal. Every Wednesday, I believe it is, they said. And also you can integrate it, of course, with affiliates, like I was telling you, and they'll help sell your product for you too. And then you can add different things in here and so on and so forth too. And of course you can become an affiliate if you didn't want to sell your own products on here. You can become an affiliate here and make good money out of this too. And here it is that they've been in business for 14 years. That's a long time. This platform has been here 14 years, so that's quite a bit. Weekly payouts to PayPal, just like I was telling you. And you've got high converting files, massive linking options, and just unique content to integrate, 75% commission on selected products, and then dedicated support. So it's a lot you can do here. A lot of potential to make money here on this website. The potential is really high, I think. All right, so that's pretty much what I wanted to show you guys today. I've got another couple of platforms that I'm going to share with you too that are like this, that are really high rated websites where people can sell their products on too. and in the next couple of days I'll share those with you too. So you want to make sure to come back, okay? And so you see those videos. Come back to the channel because I'm going to have those up here in the next couple of days or so. Alright, so that's what I had for you today. Hope you enjoyed it. Hope you get some value out of this, and I hope you make a lot of money on this, okay? Get your products up here and get them for sale and make yourself some money. Alrighty, great. So I'll catch you guys here in a couple of days with the other two videos, and make sure that you comment, like, and share these videos so other people can see them too. And check out my links down below. If you want to see my #1 business, just click on mentorwithkev.com, and you'll be able to see my #1 business and get a free marketing ebook to go along with that, and just for signing up to my mailing list, and you get a chance to take a look at my #1 business. Now it's a 30-day, you've heard me talk about this in other videos, it's $30 to get signed up for a 30-day trial, money back guaranteed trial for 30 days for $30 to check the business out, which I think you're going to love it. It's just such a powerful platform, and the education is out of the world with marketing, and you definitely have a great chance to succeed with it because you get a coach also. Not only you get a coach, you get me. We've got a private Facebook group where you can answer, get all your questions answered, or you ask any question you want, and people that are in the business are more than willing to help. Okay, so make sure you check that out, and also hook up with me at my other links down there at Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter, and that's, I think, about it. Check the other links out down below in the description. I'll see you guys here in a couple days, okay? All right, bye-bye now. Have a great day.